Hey there, welcome back to our channel. If you've experienced a knee injury and are on the road to recovery, you're in the right place. Today, we're focusing on a topic that's crucial for rebuilding strength and stability: knee exercises for strengthening after injury. Whether you're dealing with a recent injury or looking to prevent future issues, these exercises can be a game changer in your rehabilitation journey. Before we begin these knee exercises, make sure to subscribe to this channel. By doing so, you won't miss out on our upcoming fitness videos. Let's dive into the world of knee strengthening exercises. 1. Importance of knee strength. Before we jump into the exercises, let's talk about the importance of knee strength. Strong knees are essential for stability, mobility, and overall functionality. After an injury, it's crucial to rebuild strength to support your knee joint and prevent further complications down the road. 2. Quad sets. Our first exercise is quad sets. These involve contracting and relaxing your quadriceps muscles while keeping your legs straight. Quad sets not only strengthen your quads but also help improve blood circulation to the injured area, aiding in the healing process. 3. Straight leg raises. Straight leg raises are next on our list. They target your quadriceps and hip flexors, promoting knee stability and flexibility. As you progress, you can add ankle weights to challenge yourself and further enhance your strength. 4. Mini squats. Mini squats are a fantastic way to gradually reintroduce movement and weight-bearing to your knees. They engage your quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes, all while promoting proper alignment and balance. 5. Wall slides. Wall slides are excellent for improving your knees' range of motion. By sliding your foot up and down a wall while seated, you're gently stretching and strengthening your knee muscles, aiding in both flexibility and strength. 6. Step-ups. Step-ups are a more advanced exercise that mimics everyday movements like climbing stairs. Using a low step or platform, step up with your injured leg and then lower it back down. This exercise works on your quads, hamstrings, and glutes, helping you regain functional strength. 7. Hamstring curls. Hamstring curls focus on the muscles at the back of your thigh. Using a resistance band, perform controlled curls to strengthen your hamstrings, which play a vital role in knee stability and overall leg strength. 8. Calf raises. Calf raises are a great way to engage your calf muscles and improve ankle stability. As your calf strength improves, it indirectly supports your knee function, contributing to your overall lower limb stability. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to knee exercises for strengthening after injury. Remember, these exercises should be performed under the guidance of a healthcare professional or physical therapist, especially during the early stages of recovery. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might benefit from these exercises. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or want to share your own experiences with knee rehabilitation. We will promptly respond to your comments or questions. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on health, fitness, and well-being. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay dedicated to your recovery and empower your knees for a stronger, healthier future.